Welcome to Moneymaker, your ultimate guide to making money online using AI. In this video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI and Google Books to create multiple income streams. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or entrepreneur, from selling AI-generated ebooks to launching a YouTube channel and offering AI-powered services, I'll break down proven methods to help you start earning today. So if you're ready to turn AI into your personal money-making machine, make sure to watch till the end. Create and sell AI-generated ebooks. Creating and selling AI-generated ebooks is one of the most profitable ways to use DeepSeek AI and Google Books. With DeepSeek AI, you can generate high-quality content on almost any topic, whether it's self-help, business strategies, or fiction writing. Meanwhile, Google Books serves as a powerful research tool, allowing you to gather insights from top-selling books, ensuring your content is informative and engaging. By combining AI-generated writing with well-researched ideas, you can create ebooks that provide real value to readers while requiring minimal effort on your part. Once your ebook is ready, you can self-publish it on platforms like Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website, reaching a global audience. These platforms allow you to generate passive income by selling your ebook repeatedly without additional work. For example, you could write a self-help guide on productivity hacks, a niche business book on AI trends, or even an AI-generated novel. With the right marketing strategy, your ebook can become a steady source of income, making this a perfect opportunity for writers, entrepreneurs, and content creators. Start a YouTube channel with AI-generated scripts. Starting a YouTube channel with AI-generated scripts is a great way to create engaging content while saving time. With DeepSeek AI, you can quickly generate high-quality video scripts on trending topics, while Google Books helps you research best-selling books for unique insights. This combination allows you to produce well-researched, informative, and engaging videos without spending hours writing scripts from scratch. Whether you're covering book summaries, finance tips, or AI tutorials, AI can help you streamline content creation and maintain consistency on your channel. Monetizing your YouTube channel is another exciting advantage. You can earn through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, turning your videos into a passive income stream. For example, if you create a channel focused on summarizing top business books, you can include affiliate links to Amazon, where viewers can purchase the books you review. Over time, as your audience grows, companies may sponsor your videos, allowing you to generate revenue from multiple sources while providing valuable content to your viewers. AI-powered blogging and affiliate marketing. AI-powered blogging and affiliate marketing are powerful ways to generate passive income. With DeepSeek AI, you can quickly write high-quality blog posts, while Google Books helps you gather unique insights and ideas from top-selling books. This allows you to create valuable content on topics like best business books or self-improvement tips. You can then monetize your blog through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or paid memberships, earning money from ads, product promotions, and exclusive content. By consistently publishing AI-enhanced articles, you can attract a loyal audience and turn your blog into a profitable online business. Offer AI-powered writing services. Offering AI-powered writing services is a great way to earn money online. With DeepSeek AI, you can generate high-quality book summaries, articles, and research-based content in minutes. Using Google Books, you can gather insights from top publications to enhance your writing and provide valuable information. You can sell these services on Upwork, Fiverr, or directly to clients looking for engaging content. Many website owners and bloggers are willing to pay for AI-generated book summaries, SEO articles, or research reports, making this a profitable opportunity to monetize your writing skills efficiently. AI-powered digital products and templates. Selling AI-powered digital products and templates is a great way to earn passive income. With DeepSeek AI, you can easily create cheat sheets, planners, and customizable templates, while Google Books helps you research industry trends and best practices. These digital products can be sold on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, making them accessible to a global audience. For example, you can create social media post templates, productivity planners, or business worksheets, catering to content creators, entrepreneurs, and professionals looking for ready-to-use resources. AI-powered freelance research services. Providing AI-powered freelance research services is a highly profitable way to make money online. With DeepSeek AI, you can generate well-structured research content, while Google Books allows you to access credible sources for deep insights. This combination enables you to create high-quality articles, reports, and academic summaries for clients who need reliable, research-backed content. Whether it's for students, researchers, or content creators, AI can significantly speed up the process while maintaining accuracy and professionalism. You can offer these services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses and educators. Many professionals are looking for thoroughly researched blog posts, white papers, and case studies, which you can deliver efficiently using AI. For example, you could specialize in providing well-researched articles on business trends, technology advancements, or academic subjects, helping clients save time while you generate steady income. Build an AI-powered affiliate marketing website. Building an AI-powered affiliate marketing website is a great way to generate passive income. With DeepSeek AI, you can create detailed product reviews, comparisons, and blog posts, while Google Books helps you gather expert insights to make your content more authoritative. By focusing on a niche such as business books, tech gadgets, or self-improvement products, you can attract a targeted audience looking for valuable recommendations. AI allows you to produce content quickly, ensuring your website stays fresh and engaging. You can monetize your website through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale, earning commissions for every sale made through your referral links. For example, if you create a website reviewing top business books, you can include affiliate links to Amazon, where readers can purchase them. Over time, as your traffic grows, your website can become a passive income stream, generating revenue from clicks, purchases, and even sponsored content. AI-powered resume and cover letter services. Offering AI-powered resume and cover letter services is a lucrative way to make money online. With DeepSeek AI, you can quickly generate professional, well-structured resumes and cover letters tailored to specific industries. Google Books can help you research resume writing strategies, interview tips, and industry trends to enhance the quality of your work. Many job seekers struggle with creating resumes that stand out, and AI allows you to craft ATS-optimized resumes that increase their chances of getting noticed by recruiters. You can monetize this skill by offering services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even selling pre-made resume templates on Etsy or Gumroad. Clients are always looking for professionally designed, keyword-optimized resumes that align with industry standards, especially in competitive fields like tech, finance, and healthcare. For example, you can specialize in creating AI-enhanced, ATS-friendly resumes for tech jobs, helping candidates land high-paying roles. Whether you provide custom services or sell ready-made templates, this is a high-demand business that can generate steady income. That's it for today's video on how to make money using DeepSeek AI and Google Books. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Moneymaker for more AI-powered income strategies. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more money-making tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling!